Hello, today I'm in Jeep Compass. In this video I'll show you how to set up the screen. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster display and navigate through it using this panel on the steering wheel. Go to the 6th section, which is settings, and now using OK button, go to screen setup. Now you can select upper right, upper left, defaults, favorite menus, odometer, and again. Let's select, for example, upper right, and now add the compass instead of temperature. And that's basically how you set up the screen display of the instrument cluster. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.